Damien here. Homeboy. Got me.
We did it, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we
Woo-hoo!
did. But you know what we can thank? The HVAC Sensei.
You know,
Sensei!
there you go, Sensei.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We're not worthy. We're not worthy.
You guys got it?
Yeah, you hear
Yeah,
it?
give me a high five.
Oh, open up the door.
Yeah. Good job, man. Look at that. Perfect combustion.
Yeah, I can't even say the word.
I got you. There you go.
What did it got?
It's now stick your phone all the way in there. No, don't you gotta get a selfie stick.
Yeah. Oh, that'll melt the phone right down.